All right, good morning. So I just want to go through what we're covering in class today for AP Bio. Class is really divided into two parts. We're going to do the cell communications activity, and then we're also going to cover how to write a good FRQ. Now that we're into the fourth unit, I'm noticing that your guys' writing skills are good. Okay, none of you have terrible writing skills, which is a great thing. What we're missing is being able to be distinct and tie in the exact response that we're looking for. Sometimes, if the question asks you for a definition, you give an example, or if it gives for an example, you give the definition. So, I'm hoping today's class helps us to get as many points on the FRQ section as possible. All right, so I'm going to start by just quickly going over the cell communications activity. There are two links in this folder. The first one talks about the fight or flight response. So go ahead and click through that. It's an interactive web model, so it kind of walks you through what our body does at a stimulus of fear. So if it's going to fight, it talks about that cell communication piece and how our body decides that we're going to take a stand, or if it says flee or flight, and how it's going to tell our body what signals get sent. The second one is just a really good overview activity of how cells communicate. It also kind of talks about like what happens when cell communication goes wrong. So if there are certain diseases, degenerative neuron diseases that could affect how cells communicate. All right, so go ahead and just click through those two animations, read through the materials there. All right, how to write a good FRQ response. I have this pulled up right here in this tab. You can access this website. He tells you how to review. I want you to go ahead and watch this video. He tells you exactly like what you should improve on to answer AP Bio FRQs. If you want to, rather than watching the video, if you want to read through on your own, it goes through here and explains the different questions, tells you the importance of bolding, of the bolded words, sorry. And then it tells you just some basic knowledge that you should understand and apply. Okay, with that being said, I've also got a document that you guys are going to have access to. And this kind of lays out what your multiple choice questions are going to look like, how much percentage of your questions those are going to be, what types of FRQ questions you have, and then it kind of lays out the different points and how you can get those points. Okay, after you guys kind of go through and read through this document, I've got I have three practice questions available for you guys, and I will have to post those. But go through, and if I was in class, we would go through these together. If I'm not in class, then you'll go through these on your own, trying to get as many points out of them as possible. All right, if you have any questions, please email me. Thank you. Have a great day.